Hi, Leather Rokk here. Welcome to my channel. That was Tabby Boy. This is Cassie. I'm pissed off. You want to know why I'm pissed off? This is why I'm pissed off. I don't want to show the name of this company. I'm really perturbed. I'm not holding in my hand something I got from the 99-cent store. I'm holding something in my hand that I paid $9 for. This does not have any tins in it. You want to know why? Because I was taking this out of a box that had other eyeshadow palettes in it, and it slipped out of my hands. It did not hit the ground when the tins fell out. You want to know where they fell off? Onto a bowl of cat food. Yeah, nice germy cat food. And now I know that all you need to do to sterilize makeup is to put rubbing alcohol into the tin and let it evaporate. Okay, but that does tend to affect the consistency of the makeup. Now, I don't spend money to throw it away. I don't think it's too much to ask for makeup companies to, if you don't have strong enough magnet, why you can't glue these tins into the palettes so they don't drop out. This is the second time that a palette from this makeup company has fallen out of the palette onto the ground. Either it hits my filthy floor or now it goes into a bowl of cat food. And another thing that really makes me angry about this company, which shall not be named, they take the time to put the names of the eyeshadows on the back of the palette, but they don't show the colors themselves. So that if you do something like I did and the shadows fall out of the tins, you have to go onto the website to try to see where to put the colors back. But wait, so you go onto the website and you end up looking at a tiny little picture, a little bit bigger than a postage stamp. And with that, you're supposed to figure out which color goes where. Now, I have contacted the company's Facebook page. They have these little chat box things. And this is really embarrassing because I had talked to them one time before when the eyeshadows had fallen out, and a company did right by me. They sent me a replacement palette. Well, the second time around, I wouldn't blame them for not believing me about this happening again, but I contacted them and I told them that the shadows fell out. Now, I really don't want to say the name of the company. I don't want to diss them. Depending, their quality depends on the packaging. Some of their palettes are in cardboard, which I think is a lot sturdier. Some of them are in this plastic, and it's probably recyclable plastic too. And even though I believe in recyclable plastic, or the kind of plastic that is made from recycled things, tends to be much flimsier. Is it too much to ask for that they glue the eyeshadows into the palettes? Don't depend on these flimsy magnets. And when you get them, maybe keep them sealed, seal them with a rubber band, put them back in the box, which of course is a real pain in the ass when you like to open up different palettes to look at the colors for color matching. You shouldn't have to go through all that trouble to store it like that, because they should be sturdy enough. I'm pissed off. I don't do this. I look at my makeup as an investment. I don't expect it to be this flimsy, right? Or aren't you lucky you don't have to wear makeup? You have such a pretty face, you don't need to put makeup on every day. See, kitties are beautiful as they are. Yes. And another thing, take a look at this makeup I'm wearing. I am not wearing mascara on top of it. I'm not doing a winged eyeliner on top of it. You want to know why? Because once you put these eyeshadows that are contaminated, if you put anything else on top of it, you're going to contaminate the other makeup. I'm really annoyed. I don't want to say the name of the company. You probably have figured it out. I don't want to diss the company. I just wish that cosmetics manufacturers would think about the packaging and not have something so flimsy that the shadows just fall out. Okay? That's just not cool. It's why should I have to worry about how can I do a tutorial with this makeup if I don't know the names of the shadows? Okay? It just pisses me off. Makeup manufacturers, you need to make the packaging more sturdy. You need to at least make it so that the makeup does not fall out when it hangs upside down. I don't have any other palettes from any other companies that are flimsy like this, and it's not cool. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and if you like me and my content, I'd love to have you subscribe. When you do, make sure to hit that bell so it looks like it's ringing. That way you won't miss anything. Till then, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.